Google has taken us live. It is the Kent Beck Scrum. We have Sam, we have Will, we have Michael, we have Ben. Michael, you were in first. How are things going with you?
Good. So we were in the mob today. It went well.
Deep learning.
Yeah, we learned deeply.
Agreed.
And hopefully we'll finish that next time. The rest of the assignment. I think we will finish the rest of the assignment. There's not that much left.
No.
And then go over the next lecture.
Cool. Yeah, anything blocking you? Any plans?
No, nothing blocking.
Good show. All right, let's go on to, I think Will was in next. Let's go for Will. Hey, Will, how are you doing?
I'm good, thanks. I'm not blocked with anything, but then I haven't been doing much project work recently. I've been concentrating on my teacher training application. And yeah, that's all. I was also watching this afternoon a Google talk by the man who the film Catch Me If You Can is based on.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so a talk from him. It was really
right. Wasn't that the one with Leonardo DiCaprio and Tom Hanks?
Yeah, right. Yeah, and I kind of forgotten that it was based on a true story. So yeah, the guy who it's about.
Oh right. Yeah. Oh, you should.
He's a good speaker as well.
Yeah, maybe you could share a link to that in the random channel.
Yeah. Right. Okay.
That'd be cool. And also, I think you have something planning, which is to do a mob on Ethereum smart contracts and blockchain.
Yeah, I'm going to post the link about that in general very soon.
Yeah, I've already mentioned it in our private premium mob channels, and there is some interest. So
great,
good stuff. Excellent.
I don't have to sell it too hard.
No, I think it's busy selling itself at the moment.
Yeah.
Yeah, good stuff. So let's go on to, thank you, Will. Let's go on to Ben. How are things with you?
Things are good. I have similar things to report about my experience with the mob this morning. I've sort of been looking at that assignment and sort of finishing it off ever since. And it occurs to me that it would be worthwhile, or would it be worthwhile, I should ask, if I wrote up basically the three things that tripped me up when I was trying to install the Jupyter Notebook stuff in the virtual environment on my Mac.
Yeah, that would be good. So, are you a blogger, sir?
I'm not, but this is kind of making me think I should be at this point.
Yeah, we do have like an Agile Ventures Medium blog, which I'm very happy to invite you to. I don't know if you know Medium at all. Yeah, which I find to be a very easy way to get things in. But yeah, if you get if you pass on your Medium account, email, whatever, I can add you so you can blog for Agile Ventures.
Oh, I'd have to have one. I imagine they're free to get though.
Yeah, I think you just go to Medium. Yeah, you'll.
Don't you just repost our blogs there? You originally post them on.
Well, I mean, I write blogs. We have a separate blogging system on our static side, and
in Markdown.
In Markdown, and I repost my things there. But then some people just post. We've had like our other interns and other people will just post directly on Medium.
So I'm thinking about the audience. This would be helpful in particular just to people that are also trying to do this stuff. Because
it's an open course, so I mean, potentially it could be of interest to anybody, really.
Good point. All right, so I'll. So what do? I get a Medium account and then I send you.
Yeah. I mean, if you let me know your username or the email that you've associated it with, I can then like add you to the team. I mean, and it just means that the blog can kind of appear in the Agile Ventures thing. You can still post on Medium without needing to be.
Does it let you like do drafts and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
And collaborate perhaps on articles.
Yeah, I think if you're then in the if you then put it into the Agile Ventures thing, so we can see here. We've got. I think if we add you so writers can like just have it there, and then editors can be involved. But yeah, if you want to get involved in helping editing, Woohoo.
Okay.
So,
yeah. I might actually want to do that.
Cool. Nice one.
I'm let's see, 2 other things real quick. I think maybe still waiting for the that PR to be completely accepted or not. I don't know. I haven't checked.
Well, the PR, I think I did add some comments onto the PR.
Okay. So I'll
you may or may not have seen.
Yeah.
I didn't. There's this. I mean, what is it called? GitHub has a framework for doing reviews, but I'm still slightly suspicious of like the interface, and so I tend to just like add individual comments in there.
Where are we?
There we go.
Yeah, there we are. Okay.
So I added some comments in there.
All right.
So that's sort of as a review. I mean, they can be, and of course, doesn't mean you have to make the changes. I'm just making suggestions. You can say, yeah, fine, or no, you shouldn't, or and we there's no onus on you having to make the changes per se. It can be that other people make the changes.
No, I'm delighted to check out the feedback.
Cool.
One more thing I just wanted to mention, something for getting way ahead of ourselves. We're doing this vision recognition thing in the deep learning mob. Once that's complete, which maybe years in the future, I think it might be interesting to move on to Chris Manning's course, which is about NLP using the similar techniques.
Cool.
So that's something I'd
deep NLP.
But yeah,
there's also something really cool that I found. Berkeley is running a deep reinforcement learning course. Which is kind of, I think that reinforcement learning has the potential to be closer to real AI than some of these supervised learning.
All right, that's interesting.
Cool.
Yeah, that's the class I'm thinking of. Yeah. Because I studied NLP sort of back in the day before it started to be before the days of the current iteration of artificial neural networks being applied to everything. So I'd be interested in going over that.
Oh, it looks like you're not in our data mining channel.
I'm not, I guess.
I've just invited you. That's where we often share these kind of things with the community. I've just shared this link to this one. And Michael, you were there talking about deep reinforcement learning?
Cool. Yes, and it's in Berkeley. Berkeley, there it is.
Oh, yeah. Cool. All right.
And they have the lectures, and I think the material, I think it's possible to follow along, basically.
All right. Nice one. Great suggestions. That just leaves me, to the deep learning mob. I followed that up actually by watching the rest of the lecture 4 on neural networks, just because I'd started it, so I decided to finish it. And I'll go back and review. I've been merging a few things on website 1, trying to get this error handling stuff under control. We've got the local support meeting coming up now at its new time, just after the Scrum. The Anthony Powell Society paid project. The client seems quite happy with the interfaces that I've set up for them. I am behind on, I need to do the NHS Wiki report, and I need to record help videos for the NHS Wiki, another paid project, as well as complete the reports for the trustees on Agile Ventures for the month. We've actually had quite a good month in terms of sign-ups and so on. But that's about the size of it. Yes. That's our Scrum. Does anybody else have anything else that we need to coordinate right now?
Nope.
Not from me.
I guess the only thing that just occurred to me is what we could also do, Will, is create a a blockchain channel. Like we've got the data mining channel for chatting about data mining, sort of deep learning related stuff. I don't know if maybe someone's already created one, but we could create a, rather than ultimately, obviously you can mention things in general, but I don't know if we've got any kind of crypto channels at all, or no. Yeah.
Somebody should run a machine learning mob too. Just like a general machine learning mob.
Right. Yeah. Well, maybe we can graduate onto that. Yeah. I'm just gonna. I guess. If I call it a blockchain, if I call it the channel blockchain, is that generic enough? Do you think?
Yeah. The only thing with that is that there's other things coming along like Tangle, which is not really a blockchain, but it's still a decentralized technology that's in the same kind of vein.
Like, what if I call it the channel Crypto Geeks?
Yeah, it's all no. I think cryptography is its own.
No, indeed.
I think blockchain's okay for now. Probably, I would just think that there's.
Yeah, well, you can start somewhere and.
Distributed transactions that can be read but not copied.
Well, I've created the blockchain.
Distributed ledgers.
Yeah, and so Ben, do you have any interest in this side of things?
Yeah.
Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to invite Ben and Michael in there, and the channel title. All right, I better go and start the local support meeting. I'll see you folks all very soon. Bye for now.
Bye.
Right.